Hey guys, another one of those great RBA photo booth videos. Basically, this is an install on how to put your 17-inch AOC in the back of your T12, T19, T12 PRISM is what I'm using as a demo. So let's go ahead and get started. Simple install. What you want to do is just go ahead and open the back. Usually we provide wing nuts. This unit actually just got little circle fasteners. So you just remove the little circle fasteners. One drop, two, three, and four. Now remove the bracket. The bracket comes off. You just set that aside for right now. Also, you take out the back plate. Voila, you got a frame. Empty frame. So you just take the back plate, that's why we have it there. And then you take your AOC. Get the bracket now. Make sure it's standing face up where you can see the perforation where it says T12 PRISM. Go ahead and place your AOC right in there, like so. And reverse the process. So just place it in like so. I'm having a little trouble because it's a little thicker, but that's what makes it press against the back of the door and has a perfect fit. Now just reverse the process, put those. Usually they have wing nuts. Sometimes the wing nuts interfere with the door shutting, so we provide you with these ones. And get that one in. And the bottom. This is a defective monitor, so I was just using it for demo purposes. Unfortunately, I don't have a USB supply cord for this. It uses just a regular USB with a power supply to it. And basically that's how you would install the back monitor on your T-Series. Thanks for spectating.